Sorry, she was giggling. I had to get
I
her.
was waiting for you to do the intro.
I know, but I wanted you to giggle. So anyway, hey everybody, it's David Cinelli.
Ariana and I,
Realtors with.
roll the page signature.
And this is.
Fast Talk Friday.
It's like we've done this before. All right, Ariana, great topic you had. What is the topic for today?
Open houses. So open houses became a trend again a couple months ago, well, a few months ago. But in the beginning, it was a little bit slow. I think people were still scared overall with COVID and would just try and see as much as they could online before coming to actually see the property. But just this past weekend, we actually had a lot of action at one of our open houses, which is nice to see.
Actually, we had a few open houses and there was a lot of activity at all of them, believe it or not. Yeah, like during COVID, first of all, you weren't allowed to do open houses, which makes sense. We were doing virtuals, which really didn't work out. And then the last few months, since the things had opened up again, we were still kind of reluctant to do open houses. But now we're noticing people are coming in, a lot of neighbors. You want to encourage your neighbors to come, believe it or not. I always laugh when I have an appointment, listing appointment, and the sellers are always like, I just don't want the nosy neighbors coming in. Unfortunately, they're going to come. That's the first key. But the second thing is you do want them to come. Well, think about it. They might have a family member or a friend that's, they come visit, they have a house party there, and they're like, I love this neighborhood. If something comes available, come check it out. While they can go to preview your home and say, oh my God, this house is perfect for so-and-so. So, yeah, we want to encourage your neighbors to come. It shouldn't be hidden. Yeah, I know everyone's always nosy. They're going to see everything online anyway. They know what the price, etc. So let them come in, let them feel your house, and let them get to know it. And yeah. Any kind of suggestions you're doing for open houses?
No, I think it'll be cool to start seeing like the snacks again and just making them more fun because we were so limited during COVID.
Yeah, and not to mention that. Well, one of the things we do is I like to bake cookies, and it's for a couple of reasons. It's like one, the little kids come. Sure, it's the smell is one. People do that and it makes you feel homely. But the second reason is like when kids come to the open houses, I like to have cookies for them, so the parents stay a little bit longer. When the kids enjoying, they're getting a meal, like they're getting a cookie, and they walk around the house. Hopefully not making crumbs, but at the end of the day, the kid gets a little more quiet, and the parents can enjoy it to see the house. So, but during COVID, we weren't doing that, and we actually weren't doing a lot of open houses. But people were a little reluctant to even touch any food or drink. So, good point. All right, awesome. If you want for us to talk about a topic that you're interested in, please feel free to reach out. You can either DM both of us, or you can always call or text me anytime. Have a wonderful day, everybody.
Thanks.
Bye.